I'm Collin.
I'm Sara.
And we are the owners of Roots Inn and Kitchen here in Sister Bay. So, it was an existing bed and breakfast, very Victorian style.
So we continued with the same B&B kind of style that the previous inn owners did, but we wanted to source local, we wanted to use local farmers, and then we slowly the same first season, we opened a kitchen to the public for lunch. We wanted to do Wisconsin classics, so we wanted to do comfortable, approachable food, but again, put our twist on it, make it fresh, make it our own, source locally as much as we possibly could. And we'll start off with a brat. So we'll use a Waseda Farms organically raised bratwurst. It's always served in a pretzel bun, and we're gonna top it with, there's a great local family that makes a Jamaican jerk sauce. So they'll be on there with a cabbage, pineapple, and mint slaw on top.
This morning for breakfast, what we did is, it's a Greek breakfast gyro. We started with some of that Waseda organic sausage that we use here, and then it's some roasted potatoes, grape tomatoes, cucumbers, and some onions. Then off to the side, we have a cheddar cheese crusted fried egg, and a little apple salad with toasted walnuts and honey.
And then we also have our mac and cheese waffle. We cool it, we cut it, we dredge it, and then we press it in a waffle iron, and then we serve it with a side of house basil aioli.
And then last, we're doing one of our vegetarian options. We have a great vegetarian taco. So it's a toasted walnut and cauliflower meat, as we call it. And then that's topped with sweet bell pepper and onion slaw, sriracha lime aioli, and some black sesame seeds.